In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all clips the same length in CapCut PC. If you want every photo or video clip on your timeline to play for exactly the same amount of time, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. It's especially useful when you're creating slideshows, lyric videos, quick montages, or any edit where consistent timing makes everything look cleaner and more professional. Let's start with the easiest option if you're working with multiple photos or still images. In this case, it's best to set the duration before you even import them into your project. Go to the menu in the top left corner, open Settings, then click the Edit tab. From there, find the image duration box and type in the exact length you want each image to last, for example, 3 seconds. Once that's set, every photo you drag into the timeline will automatically use that same duration. This can save a lot of time because you won't need to adjust each image one by one afterward. Now, if your clips are already on the timeline, don't worry, you can still make them all the same length very quickly. First, select all the clips you want to change at once. You can do that by holding Control on your keyboard and clicking each clip individually. If it's faster, you can also click and drag a selection box across the timeline to highlight all the video or image blocks you want included. Just make sure you're selecting only the clips you actually want to resize, since all selected items will be changed together. Once everything is selected, move over to the top right Properties panel and click the Speed tab. In that panel, look for the Duration Input field. This is where you'll enter the exact target length you want for all selected clips. Type in your preferred time, such as 3 seconds, and then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will immediately trim or adjust every selected clip on your timeline so they all match that exact duration. This is a really simple feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping your edits smooth and consistent. It also helps speed up your workflow when you're dealing with a lot of clips at once. And that's it. Once you've done that, all your selected clips will be the same length, and your timeline will be much more organized and easier to work with. You're all set. Done.